Let's see an example JSP application to work with the include directive tags. What is the statement just now I told with respect to this diagram? With respect to this diagram, we shall see now. Okay, and let me prove these two statements. Fine. So let me create this Go application. Let me create this deployment directive structure in my here my Tomcat under web-INF created. Under this, let me create one more folder with the name called web-INF. Okay, done. And let me use source.jsp, destination.jsp, web-INF, web.xml. That's it. So a simple example I'm going to use, nothing great. JSP. Simply I'll use the same. So I am from source.jsp. Okay, of 8 include directive example. Okay, fine, and that's it. Means simply you can add some more lines. This is just to prove whether how many lines it gets included, how many lines are excluded. So this is second line. The earlier was first line. This is second line. This is third line. Okay, fine. And here first, second. This is third. Here I'll change. Then here I'll include what? Here I'll include my include directive at that include. Let me use the file name. File name is what? Destination.jsp. Destination.jsp. This is the source.jsp. Third, this is the fourth line. This is the fifth line. This is the sixth line. This is what? Just to prove nothing. I did nothing great. Okay. Okay, guys. Fine. File, save. Go to D drive. Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 10, Web Apps 8, and here let me add. Let me give the same names. Yes, source.jsp. Okay, and let me use the same alt F new others JSP, and here I'll use destination TIOL. Okay, and this is the destination.jsp 8 index, and here destination second line. Okay, and here I'm not going to include, I'll remove. Okay, okay guys, third, so I should make it here fourth, or this is second line, this is third line, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, to make you feel nothing greater. Okay, fine, just save it. What was the name I given in my, means same name, huh? Here I use a capital source. Here is no name. Just save destination. Done. You can use redirect. That I'll go. I'll go through all different examples, but let's see one by one. If I teach you all at once in a single example, that will generate ambiguity in your mind. Oh, this did this different This tag did some different task. This tag that is doing some different tags, different tasks, different operations. Another tag with different attributes, again doing some different operations with different logics. We'll get ambiguity. So why I'm taking different examples with different applications? So to make it clear about what, because you have not gone through this response.redirect, redirect.include, redirect.forward. You have not gone through all the solids till today. You are just completed your 20% solids. Okay. So that's what I'm doing step by step. Otherwise, it's a 5-minute task only to complete this application. Copy, paste, this works. Nothing else. Fine. Save and let me create one more what? File new others XML. Okay. You can create self-closing tag also web app. Okay. Save within the save as. Where I am now? Yes, in 8. Okay, include C was missing, leave it. I'll correct the name. Here I'll give the name called web.xml. Web.xml. Okay, I'll change the name. Control C. Okay. Now definitely your application is reloaded now. Application is include. Earlier it was different. Undeploying, deploying. Earlier was this one, right? Without C. Now it is with C. Okay. Just test the application. Just do confirm. Where I'm now? Work Catalina localhost. Right? I'm going to same. Is there any JSP equivalent Servlet.java and JSP equivalent Servlet.class file is generated for source and destination because the both source.jsp and destination.jsp has not gone through the page translation phase and page compilation phase because till now I have not enabled startup, load on startup. Also, I had not configured initialization. I have not configured or I have not given the first request. So that's what no.java and no.class JSP current solid files are generated. Now I'll keep both parallelly to prove practically. This is the way that you can see the proof, right? Okay. Now I don't need server console. I'll open my Tomcat. I'll keep both parallelly so that you can have clear view. Okay. Where is my Tomcat? My Tomcat is here. So just refresh, search for 8 include. This is my 8. This is technical error message because URL is not found. Is it capital S now? Yes, capital source.jsp. So source.jsp. org, Apache, JSP, source.jsp. See now. Destination to 5th line. Initial code gone. Did you clear? Look at this diagram. Request approach to the source.jsp. Code is trying to execute, but the same request is forwarded to destination.jsp. This code is embedded here. Started executing from this line to here. Right? Did you clear? I will open that now. Source.jsp Servlet program. JSP file Servlet program. I'll do that practically now. Okay. So, did you receive this? Okay. I am from 8 include source. Second, this is first line actually. Second line, third line. This is from source app. Request went to where? Same request forwarded to where? So total lines of code is how much now? So where is my source? 1, 2, 3. Request is to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Look at here. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you should see 12 lines output. Huh? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Huh? Which one? This app, web app. Okay. Clear? Same, huh? Okay. Let me check where I added a break stack. I remove this break. Okay, leave it. I don't need. Look, just do observe this font is smaller. This both have source, both have H1, H1. H1 within the H1 makes double H1. Is it true? Yes or no? So now it's a time to do this practical. Where? In org, sorry, work, Catalina, localhost, 8 include directory example, org, Apache, JSP. org, Apache, JSP. I am opening JSP equivalent Servlet, source.jsp. Did you find anywhere destination underscore JSP dot Java? Did you find anywhere? Did you find anywhere destination underscore JSP dot class file? Because JSP source code is included into your source file and then compiled. And then compiled. Now see, I'll go to directly service method. Source, second line, first line, second line. Now, center H1 from where? Destination. This center H1 from up to here source. Code included. Code inclusion started now. Okay. Look at this. Look, just understand this flow. First this line up to here. Then this code included. Then remaining lines of code. Remaining lines of source program. Clear now? Is it proved practically? Okay. If you learn every subject in this way, you will enjoy all branches of computer science and sorry, all branches of engineering. Even talk also. Yes. Even theory of computation or formal languages and finite automata. Okay. To execute this program, what are the number of possibilities of options? Minimum number and maximum number. Right? If you get this output practically, you will enjoy. Right or wrong? Huh? So this is a practical proof that I'm trying to explain about this flow of execution. And that's it about include. Yeah, fine. Okay, guys. So here also I don't find. Okay, this already explained. This also explained. Fine. I did not explain anything else. Did you clear about this example?